I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Better fucking something I need.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tonae, and I'm back with another video. First of all, I just want to say thank y'all for all the love and support. If y'all ain't know, a real bitch about to hit 10K on TikTok, so if you ain't following me on TikTok, make sure you go ahead to my TikTok right there and follow me. Thank you. Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Comment down below your favorite emoji, something you learn, anything, girl. Just make some up. So I'm going to be going into depth how I created this look for Juicyville party. I was going for a natural look, very much wanted full coverage, but I wanted to give that girl, you know. And I was supposed to wear all black outfit with this look, and I ain't even wear it. I was mad as hell. Y'all end up wearing my Touched by Tonae jumpsuit, but you know, it is what it is. So first thing first, I moisturize my face with e.l.f. Holy Hydration Primer. I am using the I Am Magic Concealer by Juvia's Place in the color 6 or 9. I'll let y'all know in the comments down below or something. But anyway, I use the Pro Filter Foundation by Fenty Beauty in the color 450. Now, y'all, that is really my summertime foundation, but I used it in the wintertime just because I like the contour that they give my nose when I put it on my contour. But you know, it is what it is. You know, do it work for you. That's why it's called makeup. Now, I'm going in with some bronzer by Juvia's Place. Yeah, I'm very much so black on business on this face. I like that. Now, I'm going in with some blush, and guess who is by Juvia's Place? Don't play with that. A lot of people don't like to use blush, and I don't know why. I guess y'all think it's for old people, but hey, it is what it is. If you are a darkest person, I would suggest using pink and purples. Don't put no damn red on no dark person face. That don't look right. But I'm going in with the Laura Mercier setting powder. This is the translucent kind. I don't put this on everybody either, because you know, you can't just be putting no damn translucent powder on no dark skinned person and thinking they ain't finna have flashback. Nah, boo, that ain't how they work. Anyway, we're going in with a Kat Von D Melters palette. I had this palette for a long time. I ain't gonna even like, y'all know how y'all be having a palette in y'all box for so long, and you finally use it, you be like, oh, okay. Yeah, that was one of them moments. Now I'm using some magnetic eyeliner to draw my liner, and I really don't like no other liner other than magnetic eyeliner because I like how it dries up very matte. On top of that, I don't have no problem with it creasing and doing all that extra stuff that these eyeliners be doing. So yeah, I use some magnetic eyeliner and I call it a day. I really don't think nobody fucking with me with this eyeliner shit though. Like, I really did draw it on like so fast. One line on the top, one line in the back, and then I fill it in.
That motherfucker looks good.
I know that shit real, y'all. I have spent 11 years investing in my face technique and everything that I've taught myself about makeup. I'm ready to share and teach and help other MUAs get to where they want to get, and just help people who want to learn makeup get to where they want to get. It's just like I'm overdoing it, but at the same time, it's like I want to teach it, but I love doing makeup, if that makes sense. By the way, I use the Great Lash Mascara. You know, you can never go wrong with the overlay. You get it at Walmart, Walgreens, wherever. I'm using some L'Oreal Paris on my lips, and I just lined it with some brown eyeshadow because I didn't have no liner. And I'm using some Hairstyle lip gloss. Any type of lip gloss can really just do the trick. I mean, y'all know this. Ain't nothing special. But anyway, I'm wiping off all my powder that I have on my face and just setting the rest of the areas that didn't get set. This will be the finished look while my face is dry. Real cute. No lashes. And I feel like if your makeup just can't hit without lashes, then you really ain't do your thing. You ain't do your thing. I said it. Not too much. Not too much. Don't open your eyes while your face wet. That's how your eyeshadow crease. Fan it, girl. You can feel when your face is dry. And you slowly start opening your eyes. Don't do too much. I'm about to put on my lashes. These are custom made minks by me. Duh. Who else? I like making my own lashes versus buying lashes out the store because I get to control the fullness, the thickness. On top of that, it's mink extensions, you know? And mink extensions very much give that girl. Yeah. I like that. You say. I had to use hair glue, y'all, because I don't know what my eyelash adhesive is. But it's okay because I know what I'm doing. Wherever it stick first, I just let it sit there and go ahead and start drying up. My face look the fuck good.
Purchase your tracks
Get
today.
into it. Put a little heart mark. It's just something I like to do. Every now and then, I do it to my clients too. Just to spread the love, girl. Spread the love.
Purchase your tracks today.
That's all this is. Let me turn the light down so y'all can see.